welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine and I make videos all about slip of life, organization, and planner videos. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Today's video, if you read the title, is all about my content planning. So how I plan for YouTube. I'm just gonna be focusing on YouTube content planning. So as far as content planning goes, I like to plan for the entire month so I know what I'm filming the week of or the week before and what I'm uploading. Sometimes it's kind of hard to just sit down and think of a video or think of a video right then and there before you even get to content planning, before you even get to filming a video. I've done that in the past before where I'll just wait until the day of filming to figure out what I'm filming, and then I just spend the entire time just wondering. And obviously, because I also want to try to get watch hours, it's also very important for you to at least brainstorm how the algorithm works when it comes to YouTube and how you're going to get those views in order to get the watch hours that you need. So that's where I'm at right now. I want to look for videos. I have a couple video ideas, a key that I'll show you guys on my planner on what video content I'm gonna be making for the year. Right now, I'm gonna just share with you guys really quickly the videos that I have, the ideas that I do have on my notes. I have a couple right here. And then these are just like organization and planner type videos, and then I also have my slipper related videos. As of right now, I'm not working. I'm on a break right now, so I don't have any slipper vlogs coming out anytime soon. If you guys don't know what slipper is, I keep mentioning slipper. It's a speech therapist assistant. That's what I do as a career from day to day. I don't have any speech therapy vlogs coming out, but I do have some speech therapy videos that I have, related videos that I want to film and put out for you guys. So some of the videos that I have here is all about goal planning as of right now, because January is obviously the beginning of the year, so I want to put out as many goal planning videos because I know that's probably what people are searching up as of right now, especially the day, because I'm filming this the day before New Year's Eve. So I'm sure there's a lot of people probably YouTubing it or just watching it or just trying to get motivated for the new year. I know I am. My YouTube For You page is just full about goal setting right now. I have a lot of video ideas here that I want to try to figure out how I want to plan for them in my planner. This is the planner that I have. It is the Day Designer Planner. I love this planner so much. It has a hard cover and the pages are just thick so nothing bleeds through when I write on it. And I just love how durable this planner is. If you want to watch a video of me setting up this planner, I'll link it in the cards above. As far as content planning for today, this is the key that I made for myself. I'm uploading. I want to upload at least 2 times a week, Mondays and Wednesdays. So it's going to be about 8 videos in a month. There's 4 different categories of how I'm going to be uploading. Obviously, it's just a key. I don't have to follow exactly how many videos I want to make in each category. If I'm just stuck on like, oh, what should I film? Or when I'm planning a video, this would be a good thing to look at and look at my planner and look on YouTube from what I have previously uploaded and see like, okay, I've made 2 speech therapy related videos. Let's see, what else can I do? Oh, I can do a daily plan with me. I'll film that today. Or I'll film that week. So this is just something to fall back on if I don't have anything really specifically planned, or if I'm stuck on what I should be filming. I could look at this. So I want to, in the month for each month, I want to at least upload 2 speech therapy related videos. It doesn't have to be back to back. It could be spontaneous throughout the month, but I want to film at least 2 speech related videos. this is in the category of like organizing and cleaning, so doing a clean with me and organize and declutter videos. There's lots of areas in my house where I need to organize and declutter, so you know, I don't think I'm ever gonna run out of content with that. And then daily plan with me, so this is my planner videos, so daily plan with me and monthly goal check-ins. So I want to try to check in at least halfway through the month and share with you guys how I'm doing with my goals. I think that'd be really interesting. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. And then the last category is just like a me category, just getting to know me on a personal level. So like a vlog, day in my life, what I do day to day, whether it's like day in my life of filming, day in my life as a speech therapist, day in the life of me on the weekends, me during the week, morning routines, things like that. Just anything about getting to know me as a person. And then project videos, so any other random videos that I just get a spark and new ideas. So for example, I'm going to be filming a kitchen makeover, so that would be a project video because it's a project of me makeovering my kitchen. Alrighty, so this is the key that I have. Now let's jump over to the month of January. So this is the month of January. I have my January goals right here, but we're not going to be using this side of the book. We're going to be using this side because this is where Mondays and Wednesdays fall. Like I said, I also have some speech related YouTube content right here, so I might pull from this content when it comes to me gathering up the ideas of what I should be uploading. I'm also going to be pulling from this YouTube title ideas that I have in my notes. Next week, what I want to upload is this content video. Oh, no, wait. I have another video that I'm uploading right now. This Monday, I'm going to be uploading my, turning my yearly goals into monthly and weekly goals and like how to accomplish that. So I'm going to put right here. So the titles are gonna look similar to this, give or take. I will be looking for more specific titles, and I'll be getting into that with my content planning. And then on the 4th, I will be uploading this video. That to me tells me that I already have a videos for the planner category. So daily plan with me would be content plan with me, and then monthly goal check-in, which is here setting up my monthly and weekly goals. So for the following week after that, I would probably want to film a clean with me. I would want to upload a clean with me, and then and probably film a slippa related video. So on the 9th, I'm gonna do a clean with me, which I think I already have it filmed. Yeah, I already have that video filmed. So, oh, it's my restroom video. And then on the 11th, I'm gonna do a speech related video. So I'm pretty sure, I haven't done this video yet, but I want to talk about my slippa program experience and like how to pick a program, and just answer some questions that I had when I was going through my journey of getting a slippa license. So my slippa program experience. On the 16th, so that takes care of one of the speech related videos, and then it also takes care of a clean with me. So for the 16th, I know for the okay, so yeah, so for the 16th, I will be doing a organize and declutter video. I'm going to be uploading an organize and declutter. I'm going to look at what I have here. So I think I would be doing this video title, which is how doing less can mean doing more. So it'll be a kind of vlog style. I'm going to do that. Actually, I'm going to do a day in my life. So that's gonna be a vlog style video, and then the 18th is an organize and declutter. So I'll probably do like a reset the week with me, so kind of doing like a Sunday reset. And then I just have 2 more left, which I'll probably do another speech related video on the 23rd down here. What I'm going to do for this one is probably do like what a speech therapist is really like. Or I guess I'll do like a 1-year recap of me working as a speech therapist for 1 year and what I expected the field to be like and what it actually was like. Kind of like 2 different like experiences. So I'll do a speech therapy recap. And last but not least, I'm gonna upload my kitchen project video. So my kitchen makeover.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose with